Good morning, everyone. Um, well, today we're gonna talk about for some basics. There are a lot of people ask me question about the um, basically they want to start something um, or networking side or Microsoft MCSA, or they wanna do some ethical hacking side, or they wanna start something on computing, but they really don't know where to start from. So today, the purpose of my video is to explain people, to tell them and show them step by step um, how to how to start and where to start and what to do. So basically, today we're gonna talk about a VMware workstation. The VMware is a platform where you can do many things. There are some cloud computing. There are there are different um, platforms. Particularly, we're gonna talk about today is the workstation side. So today we're gonna talk about VMware workstation, where you can add more computers. So add more computer of different operating system to to do your education, learn about it, and you don't need many computer to learn stuff. You can use your computer, and within your computer you'll have a different virtual machines, sort of like a within your machine there are other machines, and you can do exactly same thing as you do with your other physical machines, and you can test in that environment, and you can learn about it, do more stuff. So basically what we need to do here first is, um, firstly I will show you what how VMware look like. So I go here, I installed before. I will tell you how to do it, but this is just just want to show you. So this is a platform, as you can see, a VMware workstation, is a virtual workstation, where you add more machines, and then you configure it, test it, and then you learn more about it. When I say learn more about it, that mean is you can do networking, you can add more virtual routers, you can do MCSA side, so you can learn about more about Microsoft. You can add and do a domain controllers, mail server, file server. You can do this side, or you can do Cisco side. You can have all the Cisco virtual routers, or you can go to some cyber security sides. You can add splunk box, or you can have a security onion, things like that. So that is too much. I know if you are starting today, and today you're looking on YouTube or internet where to start from, what to do. You know what, this is video for you. Right. So this is how VMware workstation look like. So before you do that, make sure you have a good laptop or PC to do to install VMware itself. So your PC or your laptop, I'm gonna call that machine as a host. So every time I say host, that means your physical machine, your laptop or your PC. And anything I say with VM, that is I'm talking about the virtual machine inside, which we're gonna create in a later time. Right, so first of all, you need to go to this website. It's a https forward slash myvmware.com/web/vmware and slash downloads. When you go to that site, well, I'm gonna give this link into the description as well, so you don't need to type everything. Just click on that link, and you will be directed to this website, and then yeah, and then you will be here. So in this website, there are different things. Like I said before, VMware you can do for different, for different purposes. over here is like infrastructure and operation management. So you're gonna have a operation inside, operation for IBM power system, automation, code stream, anything like for business purposes, business for cloud, different. Here we go, networking and security, everything. Particularly we are interested in is the desktop and end user computing. So this one is a the subject we're gonna talk about today. So we're gonna take click on this one. It says it's completely free. It's open source. VMware is open source. I know there are different. There is a virtual box as well, but VMware is I think is a more like you can do more stuff here than the virtual box. So I highly recommend this. But again, it is up to the user what you like or what other person like. But I think if you are starting today and you never use anything before, this is a platform for you. Okay, so VMware Workstation Pro, that is what you need to download, and you click on the download products. Here we are, and it will load you to the one sec. Yeah, it will load you to the you know downloading product page, and you sign up here. Um, you sign up. It's a free to sign up. And you sign up, and then you can download easily. Um, Once you download it, it will be download um, in your computer downloads, and there is an option for Windows and Mac or Linux, whatever the operating system you have. You download it, and then you right click on the setup, and you will start installing the VMware workstation. Soon you install, I'm not gonna do that because I already have this system, so it's not gonna allow me to do it. So but this is what you will get presented with. So soon you finish installing the VMware, you will shown this platform here, and this is a platform where you will start your actual work. So I just want to show you what I have. If I go to help about VMware workstation, this is the updated version I have, which is 15.5.1 build. It's a completely free open source, and yeah, I got like this is my host. Like I said, I'm gonna call your physical machine as a host. So my host operating system version is Windows 10 64. You know, so again, this will be your operating system, but this is what you need: 15.5.1 VMware Workstation 15 Pro. Yeah, so this is it. So you download, then we're gonna start. Okay, so this was a quick tutorial about the VMware. I'm gonna make another video about the VM, the first virtual machine we're gonna create, and I'm gonna follow up those tutorials. So in the third tutorial, I will be making a domain controller and then joining the VM you're gonna create in future to that domain controller, and then follow on. We will create some virtual switch. We will do some splunking as well. I don't know if you heard about Splunk. I will have a um, brief tutorial on Splunk as well. It's a really good tool. If you are interested toward the ethical hacking, that's where you need to go. But I will also have a tutorial on networking, so Cisco side. So I know the Cisco exam is changing, but it's good to hands on the kit, and then do some practice, and then set for the exam. So guys, this is the end of my tutorial. I will just follow my channel. I will come with the next tutorial, which is creating a new virtual machine. I know there are many videos on the internet, and I know there are many people doing many things, but I gonna start step by step to create. So today we install the VMware. I'm gonna create the virtual machine, DC, Splunk, or the security onion, and the networking side as well. There are different subjects. There are Warshark, there are Cyber Chef. You know what? Follow me, subscribe my channel, do comment if you have a question, and we will do everything step by step. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks a lot.